the third year of Life and Arts Gallery here at the Manila Bank Show, and would really like to express our gratitude to Attorney Edes and Miss PJ for continuously giving us a beautiful and collaborative platform to showcase the talents of local and international artists. Now, all the best and congratulations to the whole team.
Inspiration ko naman sa works ko, yung pagiging Pisces ko. Gumawa ko ng character na merong fish eye para connected siya dun sa isda. Nag-explore pa ako ng iba't ibang medium, tapos kung paano ko pa mapapagrow yung character ko. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa, kailangan totoo yung ginagawa niyo.
This kind of paint of mine is contemporary impressionistic realism, portraying modern Filipinas. Although it's like based on the concept of Filipiniana, and it's done in oil, old master's technique. Yung manipis lang siya, but it's more vibrant. To make it more contemporary, nilagyan ko ng mga gold. There's some gold strokes, gold series incorporated with the oil. Continue their passion, be creative, perseverance, it's passion, and it's yung talagang kahirapan. So just keep on painting, painting and painting every day. Don't stop painting because it's very hard to come back.
Keep on painting to improve yourself. Kailangan ka lang, consistent ka lang doon sa ginagawa mo. Hard work.
Yes.
It will take time.
Time kasi ng pandemic, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety, and yung mga scrap ko, yun yung ginamit ko para gumawa ng little town. If you look at it, wala siyang doors. It's all windows kasi during the pandemic, we're not allowed to go out. But marami siyang windows kasi it symbolizes hope. You just continue, follow your heart, and kahit walang maniwala sa inyo, like you only have yourself para maniwala sa inyo, tuloy nyo lang yung ginagawa nyo. Life and Arts for me is like a good platform for artists dahil nagkakaroon ng chance yung mga like me and other aspiring artists na maipakita sa iba-ibang lugar since Arts and Life is nag-exhibit sa iba-ibang lugar.
I paint my life story. I draw from life. I paint my emotions, kung ano mga nangyayari sa akin sa buhay ko. It's titled Break or Pause. So, kailangan hindi laging work. There'll come a time that you'll get sick and you have to pause for a while.
Ang inspirasyon ay ang kalikasan para educate yung tao na magkaroon ng awareness na pangalagaan ng inang kalikasan.
I made the colors more subdued para it's more easy on the eyes. This is actually my first time to do this very neutralized pastels. So this concept came to life because of my love for dolls. As a doll collector, I realized that it could be my subject.
Na-conceptualize ko to dati sa mga bakal pa yung ginagawa ko from made of scrap. So, nag-try ako na stainless.
Ito yung nano kong style, yung medyo abstracted na mga flowers. Nag-enjoy ako kasi may freedom siya. Saka yung makita nyo may movement. Hindi na siya nasasakop ng rules ng batas na kailangan sakto mong pe-painting yung flower na dito makita mo na parang may image lang siya ng flowers. May mga light and dark. Parang katulad din sa buhay, hindi laging masaya, mayroon ding malungkot. Kaya yun yung parang ano din dito.
Tuloy-tuloy lang, then explore nila yung ibang medium. Kasi minsan kapag sa kakagawa mo at kaka-research, doon mo rin makita at mabuo yung mga gusto mong gawin at ma-improve sa kagawa.
Just go for it and to keep painting every single day if you can. If not, at least as much as you can so that you can hone your talent. You see the different styles and techniques that you can adapt to. Life and Arts is home for me. Since day one of me coming out as a professional visual artist, they welcomed me with open arms. So my loyalty to Life and Arts will be forever. Thank you, Life and Arts.
Ang painting kasi ano yan, matibay. Dapat masaya ka lang sa ginagawa mo, tsaka kung sino ka, yun ang i-painting mo. Mag-painting ka dahil masaya ka sa ginagawa mo.
Ituloy niyo yung passion niyo sa art. Wala namang ibang way para mag-improve talaga yung trabaho mo. Constant practice lang tayo yung key. Palaguin niyo kung ano yung meron ka.
Keep on doing what you love. You love to paint. You paint daily. Make it a part of your life and you express yourself and everything follows.